Are you looking for a solid drawing tablet that won't empty your wallet? Let's talk about what really matters when hunting for the perfect digital art companion under $500. You want something that feels good to draw on, has enough precision to capture every detail, and doesn't make you wish you'd splurged on something pricier. It's not just about the specs, it's about how it fits into your daily creative process. Whether you're a lefty needing customizable shortcuts, or someone who appreciates a tablet that doubles as a second monitor. This brings us to the XP Pen Artist 22R Pro. It's a game changer with its full HD display, top-notch pressure sensitivity, and thoughtful features designed for artists of all stripes. Stick around as we dive into what makes this tablet a standout choice for artists on a budget. Today, I'm diving into my experience with the XP Pen Artist 22R Pro, a 22-inch drawing tablet that's caught my eye for a number of reasons. First off, it sports a 1080p display and boasts 8,192 levels of pressure sensitivity, ensuring that every stroke feels precise and deliberate. It also covers 120% of the sRGB color gamut, making colors pop just right. This drawing tablet really took me by surprise. It's got a massive, durable screen that's not only responsive to its dedicated pen, but also doubles as a pretty decent HDMI monitor. Sure, it doesn't feel exactly like paper when you're drawing, but it handles every stroke with ease and shows no signs of wear, even after extensive use. And, despite its hefty 7-kilo weight, making it more of a desk fixture than a portable device. Its functionality more than makes up for it. When using the pen, there's a slight gap between the pen's contact and the cursor's appearance. A small compromise for its more affordable price tag. However, it's something you get used to quickly, especially when drawing directly from above. The display doesn't disappoint either, boasting decent brightness with its IPS panel and solid contrast, although the matte screen protector can make colors a bit less vivid. I did notice that the colors pop wonderfully on the Artist 22R Pro color profile. One of the best parts? It virtually eliminates the annoying diagonal line jitter that plagues many cheaper tablets. While it lacks built-in speakers and audio outputs, that's a minor inconvenience in the grand scheme of things. All in all, the Artist 22R Pro offers a robust, reliable drawing experience that rivals more expensive models, making it a great choice for any artist looking for quality and affordability. This tablet comes with a stylus that's battery-free, supports 60-degree tilt recognition, and boasts over 8,000 levels of pressure sensitivity. It's pretty impressive right out of the box. In the package, you'll also find replacement nibs for the stylus, which is a nice touch. Unboxing this beast, the first thing you'll notice is its large 21.5-inch display, boasting a crisp 1080p resolution. It already has an anti-glare screen protector pre-installed. What I really appreciate about this tablet is its consideration for left-handed users. It features 10 shortcut keys and a dial on both sides, making it super versatile. Setting it up is straightforward. The 22R Pro includes a sturdy metal stand that adjusts smoothly to your preferred angle. Powering it on is just a tap away with the touch button on the top, and there are additional buttons to tweak settings like brightness directly from the screen. Downloading drivers from XP Pen's website is the next step. With support for Windows, Mac, and Linux, the driver interface lets you customize the stylus buttons, shortcut keys, and dials easily. And by customization, I mean simply assigning functions to them. No actual programming required. The tablet is calibrated right out of the box. But if you feel something's off, recalibrating is an option in the pen software. Now, onto the stylus. It's lightweight, feels great to hold, and the fine tip allows for precise work. Initially, the pressure sensitivity seemed a bit off to me. You need to press harder than expected, even on the least sensitive setting, making the pressure curve feel steep. It's a unique sensation, feeling both insensitive and overly sensitive at the same time. Despite these minor gripes, I genuinely enjoy using this pen and the overall experience with the tablet. And that wraps up our deep dive into the XP Pen Artist 22R Pro. If you're leaning towards making this your next digital canvas, or just hungry for more details, we've got you covered. For a hassle-free purchase or to deep dive into the specs, simply scan the QR code on your screen or click the link in the description below. Don't forget to hit like if you found this review helpful, subscribe to stay updated with our latest tech insights, and turn on notifications so you never miss out on a new release. Thanks for watching.